Okay, this is the Wansview camera. This one is already hooked up and already working. It was pretty simple. Okay, and here are the instructions, which is very self-explanatory. And here's everything that came in this one box. The power cord, the screws when you plug it into the, when you screw it into the wall. This is the Ethernet cable. These are some screws, some little screws, and I think this is an adapter of some sort and a screwdriver. Now this camera, it came, let me show you what I did. It came unattached. Okay. It came unattached. So I will recreate it and show you how it, okay. So when you first get the camera, this is what you're looking at, okay? Then you have to screw this in. Okay. So you screw this in. Once you get it screwed in all the way, then you screw in the antenna. Okay, any minute now. Okay, there we go. Okay, now you have the antenna and the stand screwed up. So there we go. So basically that's the whole camera. And then I'm going to borrow this one. Then you plug it in into this one. And you should see the light, it's yellow. And then once you, it will be ready once it turns green and yellow. There it goes. I don't know if you could see it from here, but it's green now. And now it's green and yellow. So it's ready to set up. Now the way you set it up is you take your phone, you download the app first, then you take your phone and you put your phone up to, you either have a barcode on your phone and you put it up to that, or you just use the barcode that's on here. Either way, it sets up really easy. The quality is great. I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching my video.
reset button. It gets capped. Okay, that's my power plug. That's for Ethernet if you're going to connect wired. You can do that if you have trouble initially connecting the camera wirelessly. You can use this, but I just always take these and cap it off like this. And first, get the gasket. Get your red gasket on. And this. Okay, those are going to be your blinking lights to tell when to connect. I don't know why this has a hole in it, but I'm sure there's a reason. This goes on. I mean, I guess you could run just an Ethernet. Actually, I guess that's what that's for if you are going to wire this thing to Ethernet. So anyway, I just leave it like that. And then, here's our stand. Alright. Okay. Here's your target to mount it. Screws, 2 packs of screws to mount. I've got my little leftover tiny screws here. Comes with its own screwdriver to fit these. Alright, then we've got our antenna. Pull this off. Okay. And there she is. And now all it's left to do plug it in. Got my Wansview cloud app and follow directions. That's it. And this cord is long. I don't even know how long, but it's long.
So I got these cameras and they were really easy to install. I was able to get them connected to the Wi-Fi right away. So far I have 2, but they look really nice.
Tiny screws. And thank goodness they thought to provide extra ones because I absolutely just lost one.
You know, hey, I'm sorry I didn't get back to you the other day. It can sometimes turn into that guy. But the slow responder is a man that you want to put no effort into, no energy into, no investment into him if he's a slow responder. Because he may be casting his net wide, or he may be, not really committed to dating and really finding.
This is the W6 camera out of the box. It works excellent. I have the plastic on just so it doesn't collect dust before I put it up there, but where I want it to finally be, but it works really, really good. I love the reset button here, easy access here. You can always just cover it if you want to prevent it from getting lots of dust.